Hola Mzansi, welcome to a soccer YouTube channel. This will bring you the game's results the way you want them to be. Now, Bafethu, Steve Barker has finally revealed how disappointed he was after Stellenbosch FC failed to punish Mamelodi Sundowns in the second half of the game. Bafethu, in an interview with Steve Barker after the match between Stellenbosch and Mamelodi Sundowns yesterday, Barker has revealed how sad he was for losing the game, especially after so many chances that they got to equalize but failed. Onyango was out there to save the game. In the interview, he said, "However, we hang in there and probably we did well to keep it 1-0. But second half, there was only one team that looked like scoring, which was us. So disappointed we weren't able to take one of our chances," the coach said. "We created all the play, a lot of momentum, a lot of belief, more confident in the second half, and asked them a lot of questions, and obviously, Dennis Onyango made some big saves. Disappointed that we weren't able to get at least a point from the game, but again, proud of the effort in the second half, the comeback to get ourselves back in the game." Wena, what do you say? Please place your views on the comment section about the game. I will see you on the next video. Kusale kahle.